Chubago by the name of Zebra. So today, guys, we're just gonna play a young blind date type shit. Two of my brothers, they were trying to like raise up their hand, yeah, boy, like Bapateli mama. So all they gotta do is like, I don't know, they really got the game, or they just masha kwaba and stuff. So I was like, nah, let me just like, I did this cause like I'm trying to like, yeah, but keep it single mode. The question is, are they ready to mingle, bro? Cause Imam a little ready to mingle. Like she's been single, I think like it's almost fucking freaking year. 1 year you want. She's been, am I lying?
Nah.
You've been single and don't like one big service at all, like since like no more like I'm a piece jobs.
Bruh.
Okay guys, so yeah, I was single obviously. Why are you here if you're not single?
I'm single.
Bruh.
Enjoy how. So again, now I'm a cheetah. So we're gonna play games first and then the lucky guy will just go on a date with you. Sazu no mubani.
Round 1. Fight.
Go.
Yaphila njani?
Yabo kodwa but ngizalelwanga khona ngokufika khona kwendengezi so ngajabula ukwazi inkosazana enhle njengawo.
Nice to meet you, Asanda. Kama nami nguNokwanda, wawedlini, hlala khona la eDazen.
Ngijabula ukwazi.
Yeah, from Wandengezi, kulele khona yonke lento le. Yeah. Bese ngithi ngisukuza iphimbo lakho ukuthi nje.
Unjani?
Right?
Like suitor number 1 and suitor number 2, which voice like look attractive. I know Gucci obvious more into Mazan. Some girls they crazy about evil some cheetah, so when which voice do you think Gucci has in take the most? They be like fuck. When we heard this voice, like fuck. Like this was the one.
The handsome voice. From I hear the voice, it's like from the handsome person.
Handsome?
No, I just making an example that his voice. Okay, yeah, it's Swiss number 1.
It's the number 1.
Yeah,
Voice okay.
it's good.
Okay guys, so it's number 1. If voice okay, that's good. So we have channel number 2. Yeah. So channel number 2, it will be like erase up. There's a result.
Round 2. Fight.
Ngaqhubeka bit. Yeah, these other things ukuthi umuntu esifazane mhlawumbe ungamtshela yona. Ungaphela ngisuku. Ungaphezulu ungamtshela ngayo. Uthi like umtshela ukuthi amthanda. The way emuhle ngayo. Everything ngokuthi nje ukuze kwazi uqhubeka in conversation. Kumele mhlambe lonto ihambe. Qhubeka usuku ukuthi uhamba umtshelile njalo. Mina ngiyakutshela yona ngiyafisa ukubona uvulekile. Itshela ubuhlo nabo. Enabo aphathe ngokutshela kubo.
Number 2 it's mina ngingakusho ukuthi ngibona imbali enhle mfethu ufuna izoqhakaza emagcekeni akithi mfethu yabo imbali engazi kahle ukuthi hayi khona futhi khanyisa ikhanya ukuthi iyabonakala ntombi enhle thandiwayo nethandekayo great bits.
Okay. Yeah, we back again with the bang about fair too. I'm a cheetah and they did that thingy. It's called Rizap. So they came here, they did that thingy. So I'm going to teeny here. I feel I'm a cheetah. Abanye ba Rizap. AP Rizap play like I fuck when I Rizap marinate as in when marinate a bit.
Sitha number 2. Ufisa ngiyoqhakaza ebaleni lakubo.
Aw madoda. Aw bafethu.
Angibiza ngentombi enhle.
And then
Ezothandwa.
and then that word is very expensive intwana. Alibiza noma kanjani.
Oh.
Why is it number 1 ya? Ulisithini? Ulisithini dog. What the fuck, bro? Hey, khuluma wenzani? Khombisa nelanga. Oh, that's crazy. So still number 2 on this one. Okay, guys. So still number 1, it means you're still on 4 points, and still number 2, you're still on 3 points. Yam leg, ula. Okay. Last but not least, Itashom cheetah. So what they're gonna do, they're just gonna come here, they'll massage you. It's called massage. Obvious relationship. Yego uhlala umuntu ozomassage ngathi yazini. Ummassage ngathi skeleton wenzakalani. Nika ukumassage. Yena uzokhetha yena ukuthi ufuna ukumassage kuphi. And ufuna akhethe indawo right. Ufika kulimaza usho phela. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sambe malu.
Well, right. I'm never too turning massage is hard, because I'm not good in my long.
Bruh.
So
You are not good.
yeah. Because like sister, like only double cuts
Bruh.
not like that in Mazar.
Okay.
Yeah, it was
Which one?
it's turned away.
Bruh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Popse.
Go.
The shit to go.
Yeah, man, we back again with the brand new banger. So, bafethu amachita zila shaya into yabo and yeah, manje mfethu afikile amachita bamba otoza.
Angitofotokoza.
Question engizoyibuza uqala. What type of music uyithanda mina?
Hip hop music.
Yo, my style.
Wow. Okay, sewayenza vele. Like sewathamba usebenza phezulu noma.
Yeah, really great.
Okay, ungangenzela nto line owodwa. Nami ngizowenza wami line. Noma nje just noma nje amagama u2. Ngathini.
Wow. Yo, this question.
Noma nje ngizoqalela yini.
Okay.
Mina vele afro-pop, hip-hop, like nje vele express ayophi now. So create something more. Awe mntana umuntu awuxola ukuphaphela imizwa yami ikinga nami imphoqwa isimo ithe mangijonga ngabona uthando nomendo ay I can break those up there. Okay.
That's his thing. It's under Anzo. This one.
Is there for composite?
Catch me outside, how about that?
Try not to be obsessed. I fucked up old girl